praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. We are here back in the shed. Want to share something a little bit different with you guys. I know we have falcons. We've all been about falcons. I know there's a falcon behind me on the hoist. But we've also got another car that I've had for a long time, which was actually my first car. And we're going to share it with you in this video a little bit because it's time for its comeback. Oh, it's been too damn long. Sorry, baby. You'll be back soon. It's been too long. It's my first rig. I used to cruise around in my P-plates in this rig. No girl even knew what it was. They just thought it was the ugliest thing on the planet. I miss you, baby. We got a long way ahead of us, guys. I literally hopped in. I'm not driving anywhere. There's no engine. I think I have brakes on it. I think I put the brakes on. I went to press the throttle pedal just to pretend to drive, and it's not even in there. And I don't even know where the throttle cable or the throttle pedal is gone. I don't know why I got rid of it. Still got the clutch pedal there. That's a bonus. Handbrake's still in here, just unbolted because it was in the other car. I have a head unit in here. For some reason, I don't know why, but I hadn't had a radio in this car for a long time. I'm a bit nostalgic about this one actually, so I am pretty keen to put it together. A lot of people have been harassing me about it, putting it together, and you're probably watching now and you'll be like, yes, I've been harassing him to put together. Even my dad has been like, where's your Laurel? Well, I'm sitting in it right now. It's not going anywhere. I'll bring a bit more of this as we go along. We're hoping to start it somewhere towards a little bit at the end of the year. Just need to get a few more pieces together. I kind of had the thought of maybe getting it ready for Matsuri in October, but that's just pointless because it'll just be a start together car. It's just not going to work properly. So we'll bring it, hopefully starting by probably just after Matsuri, so they get into it, start putting it together. It's not going to be Nissan powered. I mean, us doing Falcons and it's a Nissan, you probably guess what's going in it, and it's not a twin cam either. So I'm excited, but hopefully like Japnats next year is kind of where this will go. Maybe some Archie days here and there. But these cars are getting really expensive. Like, you can't buy these cars very cheap, and I don't really feel like smashing the rear ends, things like that. So yeah, just introducing you guys to this car, just so you know that it's there, and it will be making a return on the channel. And obviously it's going to be popping sets of tyres, so this is not a show car. This car is purely to be driven, but I'm keeping in mind it's not a $500 AU, $750 AU nowadays. You know, it's a Nissan Laurel, and it's the last one. It's literally as old as me, so it's coming back. Keep watching us if you can. Let us know kind of what do you think. I'm trying to decide whether to go like a Shokatan or a Zoku kind of style on this car. Kind of real Japanese flavour. considering I have so many Australian Falcons. So I still love my Japanese cars, so that's why I'm sitting in it and just reminiscing of where I used to be. We'll pass this on now to a video of a really rad looking Toyota Corona wagon. Hope you like it. So we've got Tim's and Max's 1985 Toyota Corona wagon here. Very tidy for what it is and its age. 22 RE powerhouse right here. Last of them, made in November. It's got a very great battery clamp right there. It's got extractors with an exhaust leak. How else would you want your Toyota to sound? Like, imagine if it didn't have an exhaust leak. You would be like, that's not fair. I know this because I had a Crusader that always had an exhaust leak no matter what you did to it. From what I can see, it has coilovers in it. It's slammed on the ground on Mark 1s. SSR, I'm pretty sure it is. SSR Mark 1s. 13 by 8 on the front, 13 by 8.5 on the rear. Some sort of negative offset, so I like it. So that's why we're videoing this video, so you can see, because we like it. Yeah, check it out.
Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer from the light.